The first thing that you'll do is transfer your line drawing onto your watercolor paper. What I'm doing here is just an old tried and true method of using transfer paper face down with my line drawing on top of it on copy paper and just using an ink pen to transfer it onto my watercolor paper. I have my Holbein masking fluid. I have the lid off of a water bottle, and then I also have this tapered point soft color shaper by Royal Sovereign Limited that I picked up at Jerry's Artorama. It just has a little silicone end on it. Next, I took the masking fluid that I put in the lid and I just filled inside the letters that I chose to use. And just an FYI, this tutorial is going to be available on my new website very, very soon. So I would encourage you to hop on over there shortly because it's brand new, it's gorgeous, it's very user-friendly, and I am loving it. But what you want to do for now is just finish putting all the masking fluid carefully onto the letters, whichever ones you choose. I'm using my hockey brush and I'm going to wet the whole surface of the paper. Next, I'm taking a combination of 3 pinks and a purple just to put a painterly style over the whole area. This part is optional, but I am taking some of my metallic gold paint and I'm outlining the lettering and the little hearts that I've added just to give it some sparkle and shine.